In Ulsan, the heart of South Korea's industry, there is a company shaping the future of the global plant industry, a company that builds trust with a perfect one system from design to construction and maintenance, KDM Tech. Founded in 1997 as Gukdo Machinery, KDM Tech is a technology specialist that has led the manufacturing and construction of precision instruments in the chemical plant, power generation, and petrochemical industries for over 20 years. KDM Tech's greatest strength is its one system, which allows it to carry out the entire process of design, manufacturing, construction, maintenance in-house. Not only can we manufacture chemical plant equipment, but we also specialize in piping, steel structures, electrical instrumentation, and underground piping construction across all processes. KDM Tech aims for healthy, reliable, and stable growth. We prioritize employee welfare, gain trust through the highest quality and adherence to deadlines, and create a stable future with consistent revenue growth. KDM Tech's business is divided into three parts. First, manufacturing fixed equipment, heat exchanger, pressure vessel, column, reactor, skid and package. Second, construction and maintenance tanks, pressure piping, steel structure work, etc. Third, EPC integrated construction. In particular, we minimize process errors and ensure delivery quality through design verification. Using 3D modeling and an accurate process data management system, KDM Tech holds international quality and safety certifications, such as ISO 9001, ASME USU2 stamp, and KOSHA 18001. These certifications demonstrate KDM Tech's technological capabilities and reliability. KDM Tech operates two factories in Onsen, Ulsan. Factory 1 focuses on the production of precision equipment such as heat exchangers, pressure vessels, and towers, while Factory 2 is equipped with a specialized line for skid and package manufacturing. KDM Tech has successfully carried out numerous projects in collaboration with major domestic plant companies such as Samsung, Hanwha, SKGS, Taekwang, Hanju, and Korea Petrochemical. The main products manufactured include heat exchangers, pressure vessels, columns, reactors, etc., and we can produce equipment up to a maximum scale of 100 tons. Our major construction achievements are as follows: Samsung Petrochemical Reactor, this Project Hanju Corporation Reactor, HE Project Taekwang Industrial Reactor, T Project Korea Petrochemical Reactor K Project, Jongsun Chemicals Reactor E Project. KDM Tech's quality philosophy is not just about delivery but about complete trust. All processes are operated under a thorough inspection and management system, and safety is prioritized above all else. KDM Tech is a small but strong company, growing as a reliable and stable partner that customers can trust. We will create new value in the global market through continuous technology development and quality innovation. We are KDM Tech, a company that designs the future with technology and trust.